Hi mates, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change monitor refresh rate on Windows 10. Actually, I promise you this video got to be a very quick tutorial how to do it, and it's not complicated, it's easy and simple. Here is how. Just when you're on your desktop, just right click on it and click on display settings. From here, just click on advanced display settings and display adapter properties for display 1. From here, go to monitor, and from here you can change screen refresh rate to 120 to 100 only, or to 60. And when we click on, let's say, 100, when you click apply, wait a few seconds. Do you want to keep this display settings? Keep changes, click OK, and now your I don't know actually why it's not working my mouse, and now your Discord crashed. I don't know why, but yeah. So now how to close Discord. So now, as you can see, my refresh rate is on 100 Hz, and if you want to change it, just click on it, click on the default one, click on apply, wait a few seconds again, keep changes, okay, and now it's done. So that was how to actually change the refresh rates in Windows on Windows 10. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, you can comment down below the video in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. So yep, see you next video. Bye.